In this video, I'll show you how to forward multiple messages in Telegram on PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Telegram, this is your Telegram. For you to be able to forward multiple messages, you're gonna click, you're gonna right click, click on the select. We'll select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For us to forward like these messages, we selected 6 messages, you're gonna click on the forward right here. Then you can decide to choose where you want to forward it to. If you forward it to these saved messages, you're going to save up these messages. So let me just use this for example right now. I'll go to the saved messages. I can see all the messages I just forwarded. The multiple message I forwarded from this channel has been saved here, right? So this is how you can forward multiple messages in Telegram on PC. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. Really appreciate it. I'm gonna see you all in the next one.